Hello student, welcome to our geography class. In last videos we completed 8 lessons. Now let us start our lesson number 9. This is our last lesson of geography. The name of our lesson number 9 is Tourism, Transport and Communication. In this lesson, some points reduced for this year. First point is try this. This point is reduced for this year in geography 9th lesson. 9.1 figure is also reduced. Then next point is can you tell? 9.2 figure 9.2. Think about it. Then our next point is give it try. Try this. Figure point 9.12 also reduced for this year in this lesson. Now let us start our lesson number 9, Tourism, Transport and Communication. Here start geographical explanation of Brazil. In this lesson, geographical explanation of Brazil is clean white sand beaches, attractive sea coast, beautiful islands, orchards, deep dense forest of Amazon, various birds and animals attract lots of international tourists here. The new capital city of Brasilia is also a tourist attraction. Cities like Rio de Janeiro and Sao Paulo are large cities which attract lots of tourism. Tourism is an important economic activity in several regions in the country. Looking at the sensitivity of the natural resources in Brazil, ecotourism is developing at a faster rate in Brazil. Here student, geographical explanation of Brazil is clean, white, attractive sea coast, beautiful islands, orchards. Orchards means garden. Deep dense forest of Amazon, various birds, animals attract lots of international tourists here. In Brazil, the new capital city of Brasilia is also tourist attraction. Cities like Rio de Janeiro, Sao Paulo are the large cities which attract lots of tourism. These two cities are very beautiful cities. Tourism is an important economic activity in several regions in the country. Looking at the sensitivity of natural resources in Brazil, ecotourism is developing at a faster rate in Brazil. Then geographical explanation as shown in figure 9.1. The number of international tourists visiting India in 2015 is more than that of Brazil. Even though this is true, the share of tourism sector in the GDP is less than that of Brazil. Apart from this, the proportion of India population engaged in tourism proportion is higher than Brazil. This is primarily dependent on the size of population of those countries and size of GDP. See figure 9.2. Here student, in 9.2 tourism and economy 2016, Brazil and India. Percentage of population engaged in tourism and contribution of tourism in GDP. Therefore, the contribution of tourism of GDP appears lesser than Brazil and population engagement seems higher. Then India, it is figure 9.1. The number of international tourists in India is constantly growing, but increase appears to be more after 2010. The increase of number of international tourists is consistent. Foreign tourists visit India for heritage, adventure, culture, health and business tourism. Ecotourism is also being given boost in India. Here student, figure 9.1. In this figure, the international tourist in India is constantly growing. You see this figure 9.1, number of international tourists. This increase in the number of international tourists is consistent. Foreign tourists visit India for heritage, adventure, cultural, health and business tourism. Ecotourism is also being given the boost in India. Considering the heritage of India, there are plenty of opportunities for tourism in many parts of country. Many places are being developed for this. Here some pictures of sites of India and Brazil. 9.3 Gateway of India. 9.4 Beach at the Rio de Janeiro. 9.5 Brazil Marine Tourism. 9.6 Ajanta Caves. 9.67 Football Stadium at Manaus. And Figure 9.8 Guwahati, Assam.